Hi. How you doing?
Huh?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Well, we met, kind of, sort of.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Long time no see. Hi, Nikki. Twice in a week.
I know.
So we'll allow people, I'm just letting everybody know the rule now. We're going to allow people back here until like 10 minutes before the show so everybody can get dressed and just, you know, get ourselves together.
That makes sense.
Thank you. You're good?
Take some back shots real quick.
Who?
Someone said Courtney was looking for me.
Courtney was looking for you?
Someone said, is that?
My boyfriend, Courtney?
Oh yeah. No, I wasn't sure. Someone said there's some guy named Courtney looking for the photographer. And I'm like,
Yeah,
hey, no one else me back here. So.
Oh, he's doing a good job.